What's up, guys? Now, I know y'all are familiar with this closet. I think this will be my third or fourth closet video. Now, y'all, to be honest with you, this closet really does not look that bad. I just have a lot of stuff. But overall, it's not that messy other than the overflow of stuff. Now, that's messy. Don't look at that. But everything else, yeah. So, I keep having this voice in my body that said, hey, Kenya, let's organize your closet. I'm like, for what? Why? It is already organized. And I really wanted to wait until I was able to paint it and then organize it. It's like, no, let's organize it now. You want the cuteness. So, guys, guess what we're about to do today? We're going to organize this closet. I'm going to literally remove all the clothing, everything in the closet except for this dresser theme, and get it all the way together. I don't really know. I don't have no vision. I don't have new hangers as of yet. But I need to see what I'm working with, and maybe that will help with my vision. Because like I said, I want to paint or do some form of decoration. Let's close the whole closet. Let's see what we're working with. And have a more boutique style. Today is not going to be the boutique, thing. Obviously, I'm just going to get it more organized. So this is not going to be the last time y'all see this closet. Well, I should say this is not going to be the last redo. But for right now, we're going to see what I come up with. So this is the before, guys. And once I get it cleaned out, I just show y'all like different steps. Pray for me, guys. Okay, y'all, this is the aftermath so far. And this was just on the floor, guys. I really don't think it's that bad, guys. I thought it was going to be worse than this. So what I plan to do now is to go, while the clothes are still hanging up, organizing that way, and not take them out like I did the last time. So, but this just was on the floor because these don't have hangers as of yet. So, not so bad. Okay, guys, this is how it looked with those items I just showed you that was removed from the floor. So what I'm going to do is just organize all my new pieces and then see what I want to donate. Because, it's still items I need to donate, guys. Because keep it 100 with yourself, guys. Y'all not going to wear them clothes. And I'm like on a whole different level now of my style and how I feel and how I want to look and what makes me happy. So, if it's not on the new me, we're not going to keep it in this closet. Okay, guys? So I'd rather let somebody else be blessed with the items if they're wearable and go about my business. And this is going to be the next area that I tackle, but one step at a time, guys. But I'm so happy. So far, I'm happy. And we're going to get rid of all this because I don't wear no shoes either. Keep it 100 with yourself, guys. Okay, guys, the first step I did is I moved my jackets, that's over here now, from that was up there. So they was right there, now they're here. So hopefully they give me more space. Then I could just easily get to them. I hope so, Lord. So now I'm going to concentrate on, I'm going to try to put everything by color now. Because that's what I did with my jacket. I did all my leopards, I did all my jeans, so on and so forth. So then that way, whatever I feel and what I feel like that particular item goes with, I know where it's at. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to color coordinate my tops. And, of course, handle this craziness now. Okay, step by step. Okay, y'all. I got the clothes in as color coordinated as possible. I told you I was switching my winter gear, jacket-wise. So I'm not finished yet. The floor looks kind of better, yeah. Got extra hangers, as y'all see. But y'all, and the purses are still a mess. belts. I don't know if that's permanent yet. But y'all, at least I have accomplished something so far. So I just wanted to show y'all what's happening at this stage. I'm not finished. So stay around. Like you have a choice. This is a video. I finally finished, guys. Now this is not like the last of my renovation of my closet, but it's getting closer to what I want it to. At least the layout is looking closer to what I want it to look like. But that finished one that's in my head, nah, y'all ain't ready for that. And it's just to give y'all, like, if y'all just want to add a little cuteness, I just put a frame, as y'all see a picture up there, and displayed my purses. And I did the same thing over here, of course, without a frame, but display my purses, the ones I like the most. And so over here, y'all see I organized them Jones. This, I just put them up there because it's too many for, you know, to display it the way I want. I'm thinking of other solutions that I can use for that, but that works for me for now. And I put the belts on this thing just for now, guys. Like I say, everything is not, this is not a permanent fixture, but it works for me now. I try to color code my clothes. Yeah. Yeah. That by itself was like, you know what? Just let it be cute and let it hang properly. So, for the most part, I'm really happy of the way it turned out. So, here you have it, guys. And yes, my floor is finally cleared out. And then I put my little ottoman thing back there. So if I want to, you know, try on shoes, I could just pull that out, sit on it. Y'all, I'm trying to be fancy. How about that? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you next video, guys.